Imagine having access to the best investing minds, their strategies, and their secrets, all in the palm of your hand. With these 5 must-read books, you'll unlock the wisdom of investment gurus and transform your financial future. So, grab a comfy chair, a warm cup of coffee, and let's dive into these game-changing reads. 1. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Do you want to learn investing from Warren Buffett's mentor? Do you want to conquer the world of investing? Well, The Intelligent Investor is considered by many to be the Bible of value investing. At the heart of The Intelligent Investor is the belief that investing should be approached with a rational, disciplined mindset. Graham distinguishes between 2 investor types: the defensive investor, who seeks a steady income and minimal risk, and the enterprising investor, who's willing to put in the extra effort for potentially higher returns. Graham's core philosophy is that investors should buy stocks at a price that is significantly below what they are worth or their intrinsic value. He labels this discount a margin of safety, which is designed to create a buffer against potential losses. He advocates using fundamental analysis to scrutinize companies' financial statements to evaluate their intrinsic value. The book also explores the unpredictable nature of the stock market and cautions against being swayed by price fluctuations of the market due to the irrational behavior of other investors. He urges readers to remain emotionally detached from their investments, maintain a long-term perspective, and focus on core business fundamentals. Graham emphasizes the importance of diversification by recommending that investors spread their capital across various stocks and bonds to mitigate risk. He suggests that investors adopt a contrarian mindset, seeking out undervalued opportunities by being greedy when others are fearful and fearful when others are greedy. The Intelligent Investor is a must-read for anyone seeking a solid foundation in value investing principles. Packed with timeless advice, this classic guide will help you develop the skills and discipline to make sound investment decisions. 2. A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton Malkiel. Ever thought of flipping a coin to pick stocks? Sounds too good to be true. Prepare to have your investing beliefs shattered and learn some surprising facts about stock market performance. Strap in for a whirlwind tour of market theories, investment strategies, and a healthy dose of skepticism. At the core of this groundbreaking book is the efficient market hypothesis, a theory that suggests stock prices reflect all known available information at the time, thus making it nearly impossible for investors to consistently outperform the market. In other words, the market's movements are as random as a coin toss, rendering most professional advice futile. Malkiel dissects various investment strategies, from fundamental and technical analysis to emerging trends, demonstrating their shortcomings and the difficulty of consistently beating the market. He also debunks the myth of the expert stock picker, showing that even the pros are hard-pressed to achieve long-term outperformance. So, what's the solution? Malkiel advocates for a passive investing approach, focusing on low-cost index funds that track the market's performance. He highlights the power of diversification, dollar-cost averaging, and the benefits of a buy-and-hold strategy in weathering market fluctuations. The book also explores the role of behavioral finance, shedding light on the psychological biases that can lead investors astray. Malkiel urges readers to recognize these pitfalls and develop a disciplined, rational mindset to avoid emotional decision-making. A Random Walk Down Wall Street offers practical guidance for constructing a well-diversified portfolio, emphasizing the importance of asset allocation and tailoring the mix of investments to one's age, risk tolerance, and financial goals. A Random Walk Down Wall Street is a must-read for investors seeking a realistic, evidence-based approach to building wealth. With its eye-opening insights and practical advice, this influential book will transform the way you think about investing. 3. Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This best-selling book is a must-read for anyone seeking financial freedom. Guided by not one, but 2 dads, Kiyosaki shares his personal story, contrasting the money lessons he learned from his rich dad and his poor dad. Buckle up and uncover the secrets of building wealth through investing in assets, financial education, and entrepreneurship that will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew about money. Kiyosaki tells the story of his rich dad, his best friend's father, who built a fortune through entrepreneurship and savvy investing, and his poor dad, his biological father, who was well-educated but financially struggling. By comparing their contrasting mindsets and money habits, Kiyosaki unveils powerful lessons on wealth creation. One key takeaway from Rich Dad Poor Dad is the importance of acquiring assets, such as real estate or businesses, that generate passive income. Kiyosaki argues that the rich focus on building a portfolio of income-generating assets, while the poor and middle class primarily acquire liabilities, like consumer debt or mortgages, that drain their financial resources. Kiyosaki believes that traditional education falls short in teaching people how to manage their money and build wealth. He encourages readers to invest in their financial knowledge and learn the skills necessary to create and maintain wealth. The book also underscores the significance of entrepreneurship. Kiyosaki contends that working for a paycheck alone won't lead to financial freedom. Instead, he advocates for starting businesses, investing in real estate, and exploring other income-generating opportunities to achieve financial independence. Rich Dad Poor Dad stresses the power of mindset by overcoming limiting beliefs and to think creatively, take calculated risks, and view money as a tool to create opportunities. Rich Dad Poor Dad is a must-read for anyone seeking to break free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle and achieve financial freedom. With its captivating storytelling, eye-opening insights, and actionable advice, this book will leave you inspired and equipped to start building your own empire. 4. One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch. Ever dreamed of beating Wall Street at its own game? In this investment classic, legendary fund manager Peter Lynch shares his insights on how ordinary investors can beat the pros by investing in what they know. Hold on tight, because this roller coaster ride through the world of stocks, businesses, and hidden gems will have you rethinking everything you thought you knew about investing. Learn the importance of analyzing companies, understanding their products, and spotting the next big thing before Wall Street catches on. Lynch's belief is that ordinary investors can have an edge over the professionals, as they can leverage their everyday experiences to spot promising investments. He champions the idea of investing in the familiar, urging readers to analyze the companies behind the products and services they use daily to uncover the next big thing before Wall Street catches on. Lynch introduces 6 categories of stocks: slow growers, stalwarts, fast growers, cyclicals, asset plays, and turnarounds. He offers valuable insights into each category, providing readers with the knowledge to identify potential winners and losers. The book also emphasizes the importance of doing thorough research before investing, by examining a company's financials, management team, and competitive advantage to determine their true value. He suggests using the PEG or price earnings to growth ratio as a valuable tool for evaluating potential stocks. Further, Lynch highlights the power of patience and long-term investing. He cautions against getting caught up in market volatility and the noise of short-term fluctuations and avoid being swayed by emotions or the crowd mentality. He advocates for a buy-and-hold strategy, allowing investments to grow over time. One Up on Wall Street is a game-changing guide for investors seeking to gain an edge in the competitive world of investing. With its practical advice, unique insights, and engaging storytelling, this book will empower you to harness your everyday experiences and transform them into a winning investment strategy. 5. A Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John Bogle. Imagine a world where investing is as simple and enjoyable as eating pie. Written by the founder of the Vanguard Group and the creator of the first index mutual fund, and known as the father of index investing. This guide to low-cost, fuss-free investing that will have you laughing all the way to the bank. Fasten your seatbelt for a thrilling ride through the world of index funds, compound interest, and the secret to building wealth that Wall Street doesn't want you to know. In this concise, yet powerful book, Bogle champions the idea of investing in low-cost, broad market index funds as the most effective way for individual investors to build wealth over the long term. He argues that most actively managed funds fail to consistently outperform the market, while charging hefty fees that eat away at investors' returns. Bogle's recipe for investment success is elegantly simple. Buy and hold a diversified portfolio of low-cost index funds that track the overall market. By doing so, investors can harness the power of compound interest and watch their nest egg grow over time, without the need for stock picking, market timing, or costly financial advice. The book also highlights the importance of staying the course, even in the face of market volatility. Bogle advises investors to maintain a long-term perspective and emphasizes that patience and discipline are the key ingredients for achieving financial success. Bogle urges investors to be mindful of the fees and expenses associated with their investments, and demonstrates that even small differences in fees can have a significant impact on returns over the long term. The Little Book of Common Sense Investing also offers practical guidance on constructing a well-diversified portfolio, by emphasizing the importance of a mix of stocks and bonds based on one's risk tolerance, age, and financial goals. The Little Book of Common Sense Investing is a must-read for anyone seeking a straightforward, no-nonsense approach to building wealth. With its clear advice, eye-opening insights, and witty storytelling, this book will revolutionize the way you think about investing. And there you have it. These 5 must-read investing books are your ticket to unlocking financial success. Immerse yourself in their knowledge, apply their lessons, and watch your wealth soar to new heights. Happy reading!